Before air travel became a daily routine, before airports grew into global gateways, there was just an idea, a belief that humans belong in the sky. In 1916 in Seattle, a young American entrepreneur named William Boeing looked at a simple wooden airplane and said, "We can build something better." And that belief, that American confidence, became the foundation of one of the most influential aerospace companies on Earth. But the story of this company isn't just a story of success. It's a story of enormous ambition, bold innovation, painful mistakes, and how America responded to those challenges. This is the real story of Boeing. Imagine the 1910s, no jet engines, no massive airports, no global airlines, just a handful of pioneers trying to understand what flight could be. William Boeing believed aviation would change the world. He brought together brilliant American minds like Ed Wells, the engineer who helped define the modern commercial airplane; Joe Sutter, the legendary creator of the world's first wide-body jet; Jack Steiner, a visionary in aerodynamic design. These people didn't follow aviation trends. They invented them. 1919, first Boeing airmail service. It helped connect American cities at a time when mail still relied on trains and horses. 1933, the Model 2 47, America's first truly modern airliner, all metal, fast, and reliable. 1958, the Boeing 707. The jet age officially begins. Flying coast to coast now took hours instead of a full day. 1969, the introduction of the Boeing 747, a global icon, the plane that opened international travel to ordinary Americans. 1997, Boeing merges with McDonnell Douglas, a move that strengthened America's aerospace dominance. 2007, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner carbon fiber, fuel efficiency, a new standard for modern aviation. The world's best-selling airplane, short to medium range, efficient, reliable, more than 10,000 units built, more than any other jet in history. Price range, approximately 100 to 130 million. Why it matters? It powers the majority of U.S. domestic flights. It's the backbone of American commercial aviation. 747, the queen of the skies. For decades, this plane was international air travel. 2 decks, massive engines, legendary range. Price, approximately $400 million. It carried presidents, celebrities, and millions of Americans across oceans. 777, the transoceanic workhorse, reliable, efficient, built for long-haul flights. Range, up to 15,800 kilometers. Price, approximately $375 to $440 million. This aircraft helped connect America to the rest of the world non-stop. 787 Dreamliner, the future of flight, lightweight materials, lower fuel consumption, higher humidity, and better air pressure for passenger comfort. Price, approximately $250 to $300 million. It represents the future of long-distance flying. More than 100 years of American engineering leadership. Few companies have shaped an entire industry the way Boeing has. Critical partner for U.S. defense. They build military aircraft, satellites, and advanced aerospace systems. Not just commercial jets. Hundreds of thousands of American jobs factories across multiple states. Supplier networks in nearly every region. Global influence. Every airplane sold overseas strengthens the U.S. economy and global presence. The only real competitor to Airbus. This rivalry drives innovation that benefits travelers worldwide. No American company is too big to fail, and Boeing faced some of the biggest challenges in its history. Issues found in early 737 MAX systems. Some aircraft faced design issues involving flight control systems. This led to global concern, government intervention, and deep industry analysis. How Boeing responded: redesigned the entire system, added new sensors and additional software protections, improved pilot training standards, worked directly with the FAA for recertification, increased transparency with global regulators. This process took years, but it was necessary to rebuild trust. Quality control problems in production lines. Some aircraft required additional inspections due to manufacturing inconsistencies. Fixes included stronger internal quality control teams, more inspections at every assembly stage, slowing production speed to prioritize precision, reworking the supply chain to reduce errors, delays in delivering major aircraft. Like the 787, using new carbon fiber materials was revolutionary, but extremely complex. How they solved it: expanded training for composite manufacturing, opened new production lines, brought in more specialized suppliers, improved testing processes. Corporate management issues after the McDonnell Douglas merger. Many analysts say the company shifted focus too much toward finance over engineering. Company response: investing again in engineering teams, increasing budgets for R&D, hiring more technical leadership roles. 1. National security. Many U.S. military aircraft and systems depend on Boeing technology. 2. Economic stability. Boeing supports entire cities, states, and industries. 3. Leadership in space exploration, satellites, rockets, and NASA partnerships. Commercial dominance. American Airlines rely heavily on its aircraft, maintaining global aerospace leadership. A strong Boeing means a strong American aerospace industry. The story of the company is not a story of perfection. It's a story of resilience. A story of an American company that pushed aviation forward, made big mistakes, faced global criticism, but continues to stand, improve, and innovate. And that's part of what makes America unique. The ability to rebuild, rethink, and rise stronger than before. From a small workshop in Seattle to the skies over every continent, this is the legacy of Boeing, and its story is far from over.